Father, we have arrived. Oh, Maxwell! Help yourself to a snack. We have fruit by the foot, Scotchers, I think we have some Captain Crunch. For me? Oh my God! Also, if you're parched, see what you can find in the fridge. 2 doors? I'll be in the basement when you're ready to play.
I can't believe he has stairs and